Welcome to www.westsideautopros.com. Today's topic, car battery tips that you need to know. The car battery is one of the essential components of a car most drivers take for granted. Every time that you turn the ignition, you expect that the battery will work and help you start your car. Little to no thought is put into checking or maintaining the battery until there's a problem. Luckily, any good maintenance shop will handle checking and maintaining your battery, but there are some things you can look out for. This will help to make sure you don't get stranded somewhere with a dead battery. First, here's a little bit of information about the battery itself. The average car battery is a 12-volt lead-acid battery. It works off of the very simple principle of converting chemicals into electricity. The chemical in question is an electrolyte in an ionic bath. The chemical is split into 6 cells, which use plates to transfer 2 volts of power each. This power is then transferred through connective wires to any parts of the car which rely on it for power. Generally, the battery is encased in a plastic mold to protect you from any danger of electric shock when handling it. This also acts as a barrier to collect battery acid if a problem should occur. The reason you do not have to replace your car battery like you do in a child's toy is because it recharges itself. By maintaining a properly working alternator and battery, you can go for a long time without having to replace the battery. Any problems you have with electrical power could either be caused from a problem with the battery itself or with the system involved in recharging it. The quick fix is a jump start. You can move on with diagnosing your problem from there. If a jump start gets you where you need to go without any electrical issues, your problem is with the battery, not your alternator. It's recommended that any time you notice a problem with the electrical system, you take it in right away for a diagnosis. For those with a standard car battery, here are some tips to extend its life. Checking the water level is a very easy way to make sure your battery is operating properly. It should be checked every few months and should come up just to the bottom of the refill hole. When refilling, make sure you only use distilled water. This protects from corrosion. Make sure you do not overfill the battery. No matter what kind of battery you have, you should clean the connections periodically with a wire brush to maintain a good flow. Make sure you are gentle with the wires when disconnecting, as you may shear the wire. Make sure the connector is secure but not over-tightened. Coating the connector with high-temperature grease will help reduce corrosion and rust. Remember that proper maintenance of your car battery should only serve as peace of mind. Nothing should replace bringing your car into a trained professional to look at periodically. Full inspections will look over not only the battery, but the entire electrical system for any problems. These tips should only be used to give you a more secure feeling when you're far from home or even at the store. To find out more information on topics like this, go to www.westsideautopros.com.